Crazy About Next here, back with another video or tutorial, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to put like textures in my sim car, like just like if you want to put like your own face on like the like the store clerk or Flatari or anything like that, or just like random people in the game. You can put your face on them, or you can put like car textures in your own car textures and all that stuff. And I'm gonna be showing you how to do that. So first off, you're going to need a thing called Unity Access Explorer. So you're probably gonna have to let's see Unity Access Explorer. Just search that up, and it's in Race Department. So I'll be leaving this link down in the description, so you guys could get this. This is what you need, and you also need a thing called GIMP, which basically allows you to then put your done texture in there and export it and all that. So you do need GIMP. You do need that. So just type in GIMP, and then there you go. Just that, and then you just download it. Press download, click download, and you just in the Unity Access Explorer, you just download that. And here's GIMP. You basically just export stuff, but I will be showing you that in a little bit. So let's say, okay, then you want to open the Unity Access Explorer. Let's say you want to like replace a face, right? So you want to open the Unity Access Explorer and you want to do 3. So basically, like the 3 is where all the faces are really at. So you want to open this and you want to type in, we want to type in chart underscore face, and then just keep on finding the next ones. And make sure you have enabled check in the DDS preview so you can see what faces are already in. So you see I already have faces on, my own faces. Like let's say if you want to change this one, all you have to do is just right click and then extract the file. And then say done, and then it's gonna then pop up a folder right here. So you basically got that folder. So like you want to edit it. What are you gonna do? So you open it, right? And then you basically just like copy, and then you paste this to there, and then you just keep that there. And then like let's say you want to like edit it. So open Chrome and then get this DDS to PNG converter thing online. So you want to get that. I already have it on the top right there. So you want to drag this file into the DDS to PNG converter, and then you want to convert that. Alright, so after that's converted, you could download that and then just put it, wherever you want. Just put in pictures, save. And then after that, you want to get something called Pixlr. So you could basically edit that photo. So you go there, you click there, and then you just drag that into there, and then there's your face texture. So what you do now is, you want to flip it so you could, see what you're doing. So like let's say you have the face you want to edit. You want to browse it, you want to find the picture you want to edit. Let's say my photos, let's say that. Let's say one of my faces. Let's say, and then you want to add current, and then you want to drag this right here, match it up, change the transparency. You want to match that up. There you go. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And then you want to put that back. Now that you got it lined up, you want to come over here and click on cutout, and then click on draw cutout. And you basically want to turn up the softness all the way, and then just change down the the size. And then you basically want to, whoops, that's the wrong one. You want to click this, make sure you have your face highlighted or clicked on, and then you basically want to basically do that to it, like get rid of the edges, make sure it's only you know what I mean. Just get rid of the edges so it looks like there's an actual face, or it's gonna look like a picture if you just put it on how it is. So you basically want to do that, Like get rid of like the edges, make sure it looks basically like this, how it is now. So you just want to make sure it's on, maybe make it a little bit bigger. There you go, maybe like if you want to highlight it, but I'm not going to do that. If you want to change the colors, let's go over here to all this stuff. But I'm not going to do that for this. And basically, once you're done with your face, you want to click on the three dots and you want to click merge down. And then after that, you don't want to press save yet. You want to basically rotate it upside down because the summer car texture faces basically come like this. And you want to just click save. And then just save it how it is. And then just put it where you want it. Save it to that. And so now your face is in there. Basically, put that to the side, which I will put on the side. And now you want to open up GIMP. You want to open up GIMP. And then you want to drag your woman face, or the face you just edited, the thing that you just edited, in there. And you want to go back to your Unity Asset Explorer and then like see what compression it is. Like this is a DXT5 compression. And you want to file, you want to export as, and then just save it to like, you know, whatever you want, save pictures. But always name it to .dds, like that. Make sure it's like that or it just won't work. And make sure DDS image, then export. And then what you want to do is you want to generate maps always. And then this is a DXT5 compression, I believe. Yeah, it is. And then just export. And that's, you're basically done. Or at least with the exporting process. Now to put the face in there, all you want to do is just open your thing, get your picture where it was, your save picture. So that's our edited face. And you want to open the shared assets folder. And then just replace it with that. Just replace it with it. There you go. And after that, you want to go back to your Unity Access Explorer. And you want to right-click and import this file from DDS. And then it should say done. And then after that, save as assets file. And then save it on the one that you're on, shared assets 3. Save. And file is supposed to replace the file? Yes. Always. And then it's going to say done. And then you want to press OK. And then that's, I mean, you're basically done. You're basically you just put your own face textures in the game. Yeah, see, it's on there now. So once you're done, you're basically done with that. That's, you basically repeat the same process if you want to like put your own textures on like you know, like a car or something like that. It's basically the same thing for a car. So let's go in the game and check it out. All right, we're here in the game. So basically, what you want to do is basically find that person that you put the face on, and you want to use like the cheat box stuff and all that, which I will be linking basically all this down in the description, and the no clip and all that. So basically, the person that I put the face on was the grandma. So let me do that real quick. All right. So now that it's day, try to find like, I mean, whatever face you put that on. I put it on the grandma, so you wanna, if you use the texture that I did, basically go to the grandma's, or your grandma's place, wherever, just down here. Right, so we're here, and she's not here. Great. Let's see, what if we try to change the day of the week? Alright, so if she's not coming out, I mean, I guess you could just try to wait, because I really don't know. Or you could just try setting it to Saturday, which is the day of the rally, and you could just look around and see what your face is, where your face is. There's my face, one of my faces that I put on. So it should look something like that. But you just gotta find who it's on. You just gotta wait for the grandma to come out. So honestly, I wouldn't put your face on the grandma. Just saying. Since you have to wait. I would probably put the face on someone else. I don't know. She's not spawning in, so forget it. I'm done. So basically, yeah, you guys get the idea. So that's basically it for this tutorial. I mean, if you want to see any other tutorials, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, I mean, you basically find textures online and basically just do the same process that I did. So if you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.